Still I rise, still I climb. Life gets hard, I know it's true, but I won't let it break me through. A little stronger, day by day. Still fighting every day. Still finding my own way. The road is rough, but I won't fade away. Still fighting every day. Some dreams take longer than planned. Still I'm building with my hands. The world gets cold, the nights get long, but I keep moving on. One more battle, one more round. Still fighting every day. Still finding my own way. The road is rough, but I won't fade away. Still fighting every day. Oh, yeah. Still standing. Still fighting. Still alive. Yeah. I don't need to run too fast. Just keep moving, make it last. Every mile, every road makes me stronger than before. No looking back, no giving in. One more step forward, one more step today, one more step forward. I'm finding my own way. The dream is calling, I hear it every day. Some days win, some days lose. Still got nothing left to prove. I keep walking through the rain, knowing sunshine comes again. A little faith, is calling, I hear it every day. Step by step, I'm getting there. One more step forward, one more step today, one more step forward. I'm finding my own way. The dream is calling, I hear it every day. Step by step, I'm getting there. Yeah. Listen, I've seen hard days, I've seen pain. Walk through sunshine, walk through rain. Every scar upon my skin reminds me where I've been. The road was tough, but here I stand, built from hard time, built from the fight, built from the day I couldn't get it right. The pressure made me strong all along. Many nights I stood alone, still I found a way back home. Every fall taught me something new. That's what helped me make it through. I won't regret the things I've faced. Built from hard times, built from the fight, testing my faith. Every setback, every fall never stopped me at all. I've been through fire, I've been through rain. Stronger than the storm, stronger than the pain. No matter what comes, I'll rise again. Stronger than the storm, that's who I am. The darkest nights have come and gone, still I keep holding on. What tried to break me made me grow. Now I'm stronger than before. The battle's tough, but so am I. Stronger than the storm, stronger than the pain. No matter what comes, I'll rise again. Stronger than the storm, that's who I am. Still rising, still strong, moving on. Stronger than the storm, stronger than the pain. No matter what comes, I'll rise again. Stronger than the storm, that's who I am. Yeah, not today. I've come too far to walk away. Too many battles won this way. The road was hard, the climb was steep, but I held on, I dug in deep. I've still got fire inside my soul. I won't give up now, I won't back down. I've been through too much to turn around. I won't give up now, I'm standing proud. The dream still lives inside my heart, and that's how every victory starts.